Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the loudspeaker test between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi K30 device. So if you're first time watching this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of both the phones, so you can find plenty of useful videos which I already did on both the devices in terms of comparing display and other things. So you can find the links in description for both the phones. So do not forget to check the description, friends. You can find very useful videos. So what wallpaper I am using, different kind of videos you can find in the description. So right now I got the Redmi Note 8 Pro on the other hand and the Redmi K30 here. So I loaded the same video in YouTube in both the phones, and here I got the loudspeaker meter in the between, and I'll be testing both the phones, which phone has a more output in terms of the loudspeaker. And both the phones are having the same bottom facing speakers. As you can see, friends, it's the Redmi Note 8 Pro located on the right side, whereas the Redmi K30 located on the left side. So this is the only difference which I have found right now, as you can see, friends. And right now let me test side by side loudspeaker comparison both the phones. I'm pretty curious to test, friends, because the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got a little bit of high loudspeaker test when compared with other smartphones. So in this video I am trying to compare with the Redmi K30. Let's check whether the Redmi Note 8 Pro actually beats the Redmi K30 or not. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, and let me begin the test first in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And here you can see the loudspeaker meter, it's present near to the speaker. So same kind of distance I'll be using for the Redmi K30 phone as also, friends. And let me start the video right now, and let me increase the volume to the maximum, and let's check what a meter will indicate. So as you can see here, friends, clearly it only crossed 2 times above 100, as you can see, friends. So same video I'll be playing for 1 minute in the Redmi K30 as well, and let's check how many times this screen will blink after crossing the 100. So let me play the video right now. I'm keeping the earphone close to the loudspeaker, as you can see, friends. So same kind of distance between both the phones. Let me increase the volume. You see, friends, clearly the Redmi K30 beats the Redmi Note 8 Pro in terms of the loudspeaker test. So you can see it has crossed many times above 100 decibels in the Redmi K30, playing the same video in full volume. So this is the advantage in the Redmi K30, friends, which has got pretty good loudspeaker when compared with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. And for more comparison videos, subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist, so where you can find very useful videos. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, friends. Bye.